Hi everyone, my name is Kamal Bandi. I'm a software developer. I build apps and websites for businesses. Today I'm going to install Passport on a Laravel machine. And then we're going to use an API to actually authenticate a user and send back a token. So we're going to go ahead and now install Passport on Laravel. For that you need and here we go, composer require Laravel Passport. This will take a minute or two, and once it's done I'll get back to you. We're done now, so now I'm going to we're going to create the table for that. So okay, alright, now we'll just create a schema called as test. Apply. Finish. Okay, now we've done that. We now have to go into alright, we have to first go into the migration tables. That's underneath database, migrations, and then users, and then when you go down you'll see a column called name. Just add a length size. 50 is a good one, and go into create password reset table, and you will notice token, string token. String token shouldn't be 50. I would put 300 because it's approximately 256 characters that's going to be coming through. Okay, so now we have done both of them. Now we just have to the environment. We'll call the database test, and the username is root. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to do PHP artisan migrate. Here's me max key length is 766. Okay, as an access violation. Users add unique user email unique user email unique email. Oh, okay. Users email. This needs characters as well. Control S, and passwords, we'll just put it as 50. Actually, no, we'll put that as 300. Okay, once we're done, we'll manually delete the tables from test. Okay, so migrations and users. Drop the tables, drop down. Great, now we're done. So we'll do the PHP artisan migrate. PHP clear first. And there you go. Password resets. Okay. Password resets. What's going on? Wait. Didn't read that properly. Password reset email index. Or email. That's going to be 50. Call it. There we go. Control S. Okay, let's do that again. Tables. Oh no, not Alt I. delete tables. Drop three tables. Yes, drop now. Great. Let's do the PHP artisan migrate this time. And we should most likely see a success. And we do migration table created. One more table. Voila! Actually, not one more table, there were a couple more tables. Well, we've got them all set. Now, just do a clear screen. Okay, now PHP artisan passport install. Great. There we go. We're done. We've actually also created a client ID and a secret, another client ID too and secret. So once we're done with that, now we have to go to the user model in Laravel. That's usually stored in there. So next we go to the auth service provider. That's in here. And then go into register. Now we have to go to config auth.php. Alright, now we're going to create a controller. Register policies. Okay, there's a problem here. Register policies. Let's go register policies. Alright, have had to go back to the manuals and see what was causing the issue of register policy, what was causing the problems, and what I've done is basically just commented this out and put this in which as per the manuals, and I've also used eliminate support facet gate. I've just put this through as well. So once that is done, now we could do a PHP artisan. Alright, now okay, now we've got that. So we're just going to make controller auth controller created. Great. So here it is. We have an auth controller. Alright, so we've done over here is basically we've created a sign up which would actually take the name, email and password and create a user, and then we would use the auth user to actually using email and password authenticate whether that particular user exists, and if that particular user exists, a token is actually sent back. Now once we've done this, next step is to basically create the routes for this. Yeah, this is not coming through. It's interesting. Okay, routes API. Okay. Now let's start up something similar to Postman to test our API parameters. Now we're going to run this. There's a problem. Sorry, the page you're looking for could not be found. Why is it? Oh yes, API/signup. Try that now. Okay. Yay. Okay, so auth controller signup does not exist. Okay, that's because of this. Sign up. Bad. Now let's try that again. There we go. A user has been created to verify this. Let's test this. There you go. It has been created. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to check with get the token. Actually, you don't need a middleware for this one. Actually, no, I was wrong. We don't need a middleware at this point because we're not sending a token with the data. So now what we want is the token itself. So get user developer box, and we basically just put in the same data in, and there you go. That is our token, and that is what you put into the header. So that's pretty much it, how to install Passport and how do you consume the password token. How do you use password in your... Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions or you need any help with your projects, please feel free to comment below or get in touch. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.